Hey guys, Lauren here from the Sephora in Chicago, Michigan Avenue. Everybody loves a glam look, but how do you get glam complexion? Today I'm going to show you how. To see how I achieve this look, keep watching. I've already completed a soft glam eye using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. To prep my skin, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Charlotte's Magic Cream to prime and hydrate. I like this cream because it gives me an extra shot of hydration, smooths the surface of my skin, leaves a dewy glow, and also has an SPF of 15. To get a glowy complexion, you have to be hydrated. This cream does the trick for my skin. I'm dry, so all the products in this tutorial will work great for my dry skin. For foundation, I'm using Marc Jacobs Beauty Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation with SPF 25 in shade number Y400. This foundation has a natural finish, which makes it great for all skin types, and it has a medium coverage. I know you guys are going to get on me for this, but because I'm dry, I like to start my foundation application with my hands. Our fingers are nature's original makeup tools, right? No, but seriously, using my hands warms up my foundation and allows me to work it into my skin. I always move in a downward motion to make sure I don't lift any dead skin or peach fuzz. Now that I have a decent application, I'm going in with a damp beauty blender to smooth it over and push some extra hydration into my skin. I also like to use the beauty blender to add a little extra coverage to the areas that may need it. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Sand to conceal under my eyes and slightly highlight. I like this concealer because it's a full coverage, hydrating concealer that's not sticky. I apply this the same way I do my foundation. I lay it down with my fingers, then work it into the skin with the Beauty Blender. Because this is a full coverage concealer, I don't want the coverage under my eyes to be fuller than that of my complexion, so I always start with a small amount, then build it up to the coverage I want. I'm going to apply this to the high points of my face and under my eyes to give my skin a little bit more of a glow. Next, I'm going to bronze up and contour my face. Now, as much as I would love for my entire face to glow, I know that there needs to be some good balance. I'm going to use Laura Mercier's Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Medium Deep with brush number 59 to mattify the areas I want to bronze and contour. I like to use Laura Mercier's powder for this because it's super fine and mattifies the areas I want to layer with bronzer. No one wants streaky cheeks, so just a light, soft application will do the trick. I like for my contour to be more on the softer side, so I'm going to add just a little more definition to my face with Tarte's Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer in Park Ave Princess. I'm using brush number 90 for this. So I'm going to shape out and slightly contour my cheeks. I'm also taking this up onto the perimeter of my forehead, under my chin, and down the sides of my nose to give a little more contour. Here I'm using Sephora Collection's Micro Smooth Baked Foundation Face Powder in Tan to softly set my complexion in the areas where I didn't contour or bronze. This powder is one of my favorites, you guys. It has a natural finish with a soft sheen that leaves your skin looking so healthy. So for my blush, I'm using Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush in Call My Blush with brush number 99. Alright, so quick pro tip here. When trying to figure out where to place your brush, you can take your two fingers and place them at the outside of your nose, and it gives you the perfect placement for your blush application. Now for my favorite part of my makeup routine, highlighter. So here I'm using Givenchy's Taunt Couture Shimmer Highlight in shade number 2 with brush number 92. The bigger the brush, the bigger the highlight. I love the size of this brush for my highlight. It gives a nice soft focus finish for your highlight, but it also puts down a lot of product to really give that skin some glow. I'm applying this to the high points of my face, cheeks, nose, right under my brow. I'm also sweeping it around the outside of my brow in somewhat of a C shape to add that extra glow around my hairline. Because I want my highlight to be seen from the stars, I'm going to amp it up a bit by spraying my brush with some of Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Using the same brush, I'm going to layer the highlight over the areas where I placed it originally, just to amp up that glow. Here I'm using Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara to zhuzh up my bottom lashes to complete this look. To finish off this soft glam look, I'm going to apply Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Uncensored. You guys, I love a red lip. It makes me feel confident, feminine, and a little sassy. Fenty Beauty's fluid lip colors are definitely a go-to for me. They're a comfortable matte, lightweight, but very pigmented, and it stays on all day for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Sephora YouTube channel. See you guys soon.